Hey, queens and kings, welcome back, you all. And thank you guys so much for clicking on today's video. Now, as you all can tell from the title, we're doing some cleaning with me. And that's pretty much what we're going to be cleaning our bougie luxury bathroom here. This basically is the aftermath of me taking a break from YouTube, trying to reconnect with myself, trying to pretty much figure things out. So I basically let the bathroom went by the wayside pretty much. I wasn't in the mood to record. I wasn't in the mood to talk to anyone. I wasn't in the mood to be around my family. I wasn't in the mood to just be myself personally. So that's why pretty much I was gone for a week. It's other things, but in due time we will talk about it. But in today's video, we're cleaning the bougie luxury bathroom. Now, first thing first, as you all did see, that I started to remove everything out of the way, out of the tub, the dirty mats, the dirty clothes, because I'm actually doing a separate video with that, a vlog that will be coming up. So you guys check that out. If you are new here, subscribe and hit the notification bell so therefore you don't miss out any other videos. But anywho, I had to clean everything out the way, and basically I'm starting off with some soft scrub, what I had basically sprayed around the bathroom, the tub or whatever, and I'm just using a scrub brush sponge, and I'm just basically getting up all the soap scum that pretty much have been in this bathroom for this past week. I just need a break, and basically I need a clean surface, a clean area to get back into the funk of recording, of being around people, of feeling myself, just being myself. But I'm not quite there, but I'm still working on it. And I didn't want you all to suffer in the meanwhile while I did it. So I decided, you know what? Let's just record today. Let's record. Why not? Why the hell not? Let's do it. Let's try to put ourselves back out there. But by the time you guys get this video, I'm not even sure how long it'll be since I recorded. So hopefully you get it today, which is Monday, Memorial Day. If not, you get it the week after. But whenever the time you're watching the video, I just hope you guys enjoying it. So, anyways, we got to move on with my little rant, my little explanation of where I've been or what's going on with me or whatever the case may be. We're just going to move right on into it. So now I done rinsed the tub down. Now I'm using a microfiber rag that I got from Amazon. If you all look for anything like this, I will link it down below. I got them from Amazon, like I said, but it was like 10 in a pack, maybe, with different colors: blue, lime green, and bright marker yellow, highlighted yellow. So, but anyways, that's basically what I'm drying the rest of the water off, removing any debris if it's some that I miss or whatever the case may be. And then we're just gonna moving on to the sink. So in my mind, I have like a method of doing. I do the tub first, I do the sink, and then I do the toilet last. And then I sweep the floor and everything, and put mats and all that stuff back down. Put everything back in order, or decorate it a little bit different, or take something out and put something in. So basically, that's what I'm gonna do in today's video. So, like I said earlier, if you're a new queen or king, just stopping by and you consider to subscribe to this channel, please do so. And also turn on your post notification bell. And to all my old royalties, hello queen, hello king. Did you guys miss me? Because I miss you all. Now don't get it twisted. I was in my little mind, my little moment and stuff like that, but I still was thinking about you guys. I can't just let you all go like that. Okay? But anyway, so we're starting to put everything back into the shower like it was, or straighten it up, make it look a little bit decent. Do you guys have a certain way that you clean your bathroom? Because it's like, how many ways can you clean a bathroom? Like, honestly, what can you all do? You could do some deep cleaning, but hey. But anyway, so we moved on to the sink area, and we're gonna move everything off there that I don't need or just put stuff anywhere that I can find a space, so therefore I can clean the sink area.
It's a rare thing to do just what we do, love. Hold your head high and do it by your own terms. They don't get it, babe, no. They don't get it.
Okay, so how many times am I gonna wipe the sink down? Just if I see a little drop of water, I go back over it again. But it's just something I do. I have a little pet peeves, like every little grain, just everything has to be gone. But anyway, so we moving on cleaning the mirrors and everything, and I'm using actually the spray away on the sink. I use Lysol, and we're gonna do the same thing on the cabinets, the vanity of the sink. Also, I want to say thank you guys, because if I didn't tell you guys personally in a video other than commenting back to you all, thank you guys so much for the love that you guys showed on the video of me redecorating the bathroom. A lot of you guys actually love it. It really was that va va voom. Something totally different than usual that I do. So I pretty much had to step out of my comfort zone when I did this bathroom, but I knew I wanted to make a statement piece. You know, I just didn't want to just slap some decor and stuff like that. I needed to do something with the wall, because the wall does make a statement piece in any room, like at least one. You may ain't got to do all four, but at least one. So, but I want to say thank you to you queens and kings for actually commenting on that video. You guys loved it so much, and I appreciate that. I appreciate that. So we're pretty much just going to move on to do a little bit of dusting here, get everything back organized. Got to wipe it down, because if you guys don't know, for some reason, the bathroom catch a lot of dust. I guess because there's no window in this bathroom, but I do have a vent. But wow, that vent is covered up, so that could actually explain it. So every time I do the bathroom, I actually do this. I wipe everything down, like everything down. So yeah, but also I want to explain my appearance, just in case some of you all like, girl, you all out in your night clothes or whatever. The next video that comes up is a vlog, which is gonna explain why I'm in my night clothes. Because like I said, I was actually doing more than one video this day, so that will explain why you guys will get a better understanding of it, you know. So yeah, so subscribe now if you're not, and if you have subscribed already, make sure your post notification bell is on, just in case whenever I upload this video, you guys get this one as well as any other one. Well, I mean to say any other video after this video, you all will receive it. So you remember when I said I like to change things out? So now I'm playing around with this vase here, where I took the vase out and I was over it for a while. I was going to try to put the greenery in, but I didn't feel like trying to pull it out the container that it came in. And those flowers came from Family Dollars, actually, for just $5. So I decided to put a little greenery in here, you know, change it up, switch it up, and bring a little life in the bathroom, since so much black and white and gray pretty much was going on. So now we done moved over here to the toilet. You guys know I'm not the one who to clean the toilet on camera, but I'm going to give you guys a little bit this time, a little bit, but not the whole thing, as in cleaning inside of the toilet and stuff like that. I just think that's so disgusting, but hey, it is what it is. But honestly, some of you all actually like to see people clean their toilets. That just behooved me. But yeah, so what I did here was just spray Lysol down everywhere, and I'm going to use paper napkins to actually clean it down because I ran out of the Lysol wipes, and then I didn't want to use my microfiber rag. I don't care, it's washable, but I did not want to use that. So, no. But yeah, so this is pretty much my little action of giving y'all the part of me cleaning the toilet because honestly, I remember I did a video with me cleaning the bathroom and I just showed a part of me just not cleaning the toilet. And someone said, hey, you forgot to clean the toilet. No, baby, I ain't forget. I just don't show it online. That's all. But yeah, I just had to bring it up. But anyway, so we're going to move on to just sweeping and mopping the floor. I haven't done this in a while in the bathroom, neither mopping the floor. So that was something that I had needed to do in here. But I'm telling you all, just being in my head, being that overthinker, dealing with my own demons, that's what I call them. I just have to just remove myself. So therefore I could go back into my little introvert little moment and just be within myself and get things back in control, get my life back in control, get my mindset back right so I can focus and come back, running, So that's basically what I call myself doing here. I might be just skipping though, but I'm just saying, y'all get the point. Y'all get the point.
You love it when I get so high and drop that ass so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that ass so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that ass so low.
All right, queens and kings, so that's pretty much gonna be it for today's video. If you all enjoyed this clean with me, enjoy how I decorated my bathroom, how I clean it, or give me some tricks and trades to what you guys do for your bathroom. Do you guys always deep clean your bathroom every time you do it? I slightly do, but only thing you don't see here is the bath mat because those is actually in the washer. But anyways, queens and kings, you guys continue to be royal. Bye-bye.
I came over, I ain't sober, I'm still drunk, that's